friends, in today's video let us quickly learn how to add customer or like how to bulk import your customer actually to your website. Okay, to do this operations, all that you have to do is like from the dashboard click on the customers, again click on customers, then you will come to this screen actually. Like, so all the customer who got onboarded to your from your websites and they have created their account, all those people's data will be listed here, and you can even start managing their status also, making them active, inactive based on your requirement actually. Now let's quickly understand how to add customers manually to your website actually. Like, so this will be maybe like if you are running any offline store or any kind of setup, right? And if any customers coming to your store and you want to onboard them to the website, you can actually like do that actually. Like I do that way. So all that you have to do is like when you have to add the customer to your website, you have to give the first name, last name, their email ID and their phone number. Okay, so these will be the basic and mandate information to create any customers and add them to your portal. Let's say like I'm going to create a customer at gmail.com, and so make sure you give the right information so that like very soon you create a customer, right? The customer will get a email notification saying like your account has been successfully created with your brand actually. And they will also will be given an option to set up their password also actually. Like there'll be a link, clicking on the link they can actually like set up a password, and using these credentials like the username, this email ID and the password whatever they have said, they can visit your store, they can log in, they can place order, they can track order, they can do any kind of activities whatever they need it. And along with this, like there is an option to add their address details also. Let's say like if you want to add customers billing address and shipping address details also, still you will be able to do that. Okay, so in our case, like let's just only add these information, like the basic information. The basic information, and we'll hit on save. So with this what happens, your the customer is created now. See here, the customer is created now. So what we'll do now, so this way you can start creating, you can start adding one by one customers to your portal. And if you have a set of a bulk customers database, your previous customer, and you want to add them to the portal, still you can do that. For that, like all that you have to do is like you have to hit on this import customer. Okay, and you will see a link here, click here to download the sample file. So you have to click here, you will find an Excel sheet which will get download. Okay, so you have to click and open this Excel sheet. Okay, yes, so once you hit on the downloaded Excel sheet, you will see this Excel sheet which will get opened up, and all these are like the dummy data, just to give you an idea actually. Like let's say like all that you have to fill in order to import the bulk customers, right? All that you have to do is like you may have to give there the first name, last name, and if you want to give any specific code for identifying this customer, you can still give their email ID, their mobile number, and any tags if you want to give, you can still give that. And newsletters, if you want to add these customers into your newsletter, all that you have to do is like you just have to say yes. And if you want to give any tax exemption facilities to the customers, you may have to give yes, if not no. And the billing address details, if you want to specify those details, you can give those. If not, right, you can leave these details like the tax, the and this billing information. So all these are like not that mandate actually. Like, so because any customer when they are signing up and coming to your website and doing order placement, they'll be given by this an option to fill that. So even system will not require ask, this is not a mandate option at all. Okay, so you can give up leave the informations which are not not mandate. You can keep them as a blank cell. Okay, and also you can keep these customer status, the last two columns, right? You can keep their status active and inactive or blocked, yes, no, like you can hold control based on your requirement. Okay, once after filling all this information, all that you have to do is like you just have to hit on file, save this file. Okay, yes, after saving the file, you may have to come back to your Outdo Cart dashboard. Let's say Outdo Cart dashboard, go to customers and hit on bulk import and click on upload file. Okay, once you hit on upload file, you will see the file what you have created. Okay, you can download that and you can even protect that with overwriting if you want. Okay, if not, you can keep it blank and just hit on save. Your job is completely done. All the files like which you all the customers details like what you have given will be automatically, the system will check for the information and it will automatically pull it. Once you hit on import customers, it's done. The customers are added to your platform and you will get a notification once this operation is complete.